that. Yeah, there's two different, like the S&P manufacturing versus the US manufacturing. And so, gotta vary that over the next 30 minutes. So, larger sellers just held off. Those contracts at target. Wait, look at Bill already strong earnings. Hey. Oh yeah. Yes. We got a lot. We still got quite a bit. Industrial stuff. Probably the big boy to watch.
What's up? What's going on, everybody?
Yeah, Palantir's growth there. Well, stock just.
What's happening?
So Nvidia is on.
What's just the early morning market?
That one.
What's happening? What's going on? See if we can't get some.
Who's the number one, Robert? The OG. Don't want to mention favorites. But yeah, not a whole lot. I mean, again, another doing good. It looks like. I think when we relatively mild as a free at the third, a little bit with bulls, double bottom on this road. A sign of like the long range playing out nearby.
Actually curious on what previous
Maybe the release of that was actually.
I'm looking at some stuff here, trying to figure out pre-market indications that they possibly might go a certain direction. That makes sense. I don't really see anything that's like super concrete. Anyways, we're at a new month. We're gonna pull amounts on 1 and 2. We're gonna see where we are at the end of the day, end of the week.
Right at the top. There's your. But I just like the idea of we were able to get into.
All right, this doesn't fit our strategies. We're not going to trade it. We are waiting. We're going to wait on our feet, our hands and feet for those. For account number 2, we're going to have.
I can, but I'm not gonna do it. That's gonna be free market. I've done like. Paul took my trade. That's just fun. Yeah, I'll let him. No, it's the drum collectors. I gotta give drum one.
Today, November 3rd. This is where we're starting. Let's see how our trades do. It's time to get ultra serious here. We always say that, but we're doing it this time. Because we're tired. Tired of losing, guys. All right. All right. All right.
I wanna see that one. Go big up. No, I think that order kind of around hour. I can't write it under some of this back end. Yeah. Appear and then notice what it. And when it came back up, back. Nothing. Start again. 9:00. Orders. And now I'll go.
All right. Let's see what we could do.
Buyers are. Alright, so we've got pre. Not the value area. After that, higher than we're getting.
Dude, what's going on today? What is happening? Today's gonna be a crazy work week. We're excited. Get our feet just trucking along. It's gonna be crazy. I don't even know what we're even doing. I have no idea what we're doing anymore. We're doing it. This is happening. Just making stuff happen, you know what I mean? Like, why not? Why the heck not? Why the heck not?
Looks just like the ES, but got a lot of wood. In that area, like 45 to 200.
We did not do the Tradovate. We're conserving some monies here.
Range. Yeah, we can just say these. How about we need a little bit? We'll like. Cool. Okay. Wow, okay, so 3 buyers just.
All right. Is it almost time? It's almost time.
We are.
Opening bell. Let's see what happens, guys. I'm getting excited for today. Be a little bit more serious today.
Oh, man. Very strong. Oh, man. Alright, have a look. Ready? Hold on, make the process. Right. And locked and loaded. They call it an index finger because
There we go, guys. We got some pushes up. This is happening now as we speak.
But again. Never mind. Right off the top right above them. Let's go over top. Oh, that's right. I would say no. I don't even. Sure, I don't. I just. How about that? I track it. Where things are traded in Patterson. And now let's go. Big 7. And back I just tracked.
Scalping time. This is our scalp account. I feel like they are gonna manage.
How much more contracts is it? Huh? Tell us how.
looking for a quick expanding. I think I want to get out of this. There's a small pullback. All right, that was a little hairy. That was bad. Just trying to see how much move. We're gonna start marking stuff out because we want to be smart. Okay. You notice that they pushed here.
Sellers well those buyers quick. Pressure buyers are trying to push them. Or sellers defend. Well said. Defending contract. Okay, another 100. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Don't want. Better not me, buddy. Are you one ticket? I kicked off. Talking about the Russell. Oh, the worst. It has a long. Oh, come on. Pressure. How the sellers are pushing that. Going down. Something. All that liquidity, there's contracts. Look, there we go. How it works.
All right. What are we looking at today? Some ranges here.
Okay. Tiger's never heard. Yes, he has. Come on, Tiger. Very hard. Starting to. No, easy.
Okay.
I was not paying attention. I was focused. I mean, I could. Tiger. Halloween. Oh yeah, that's right.
All right, you notice how we are hitting some resistance zone there, support, a little bit of resistance. I think we just call it support if it's on the downside and resistance if it's on the upside. So what we could do is we could try and target the bottom of that if it's gonna break through. I don't really know. I don't like hitting supports or resistance to break through, to be honest. Our movement here is so far is 266 down to 171, so we haven't even broke $100, so that's not even like 50 points. Okay, now it's starting to break through. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a quick go. All right, we took a little bit. I like it. Still waiting. All right, who we got? A few points that we went through. I don't know how many points it's supposed to be. What screen do we want to see? Do we want to see this screen or do we want to see the other screen? We might have to do that. And then do that or something, I don't know. Let's get some water. Come on. No, come on.
Delta on an app. Any negative? Open. Back in. Let's open her all the way back. Pretty much. Long. 5.
Notice how it, and then we bust it out pretty nice right there. We're gonna go ahead and get into our what we like. Oh. If it breaks down underneath here. We're gonna get stopped. We're gonna get stopped. All right, wick down took me out.
There we go. Break down. Come on.
All right. prime for our
Look right there, yeah.
102. Looking for it to fail this.
Order filled.
All right.
Let's go. Come on, break down. Break down. Break down. Come on.
But when it was first announced, like,
Hoping for the breakdown. Come on. No, don't do this. Breakdown. All right, I'm waiting for a breakdown to I think we're good for the breakdown.
Yeah, speculation is like there. But it's not as a
Is it holding? Feels like it actually might be holding. Oh, here's the news. Uh-oh.
It's there, you're like
what is going on here?
That's a terrible. I would guarantee. Yes, we'll get to 6,000. Wait, so wait. Forecast. Orders.
Damn it. Oh, we had a really good profit. Really, really good profit. Need to recognize. I think we should have stayed in. Let's find out. Find out if we would have broke even.
Right now. All we gotta see.
I guess we should have really stuck with the strategy as far as breaking even. Actually, likely would have. Ooh, maybe not. Looks like it might be failing. Got a break here for us to feel like we should have. Is it gonna break? It is. Wow, we really should have stayed in.
Order filled.
I really feel like we'll break through all the way down to the second TP. Come on. Come on. Oh no, maybe not. Maybe not. What was that? Are we gonna here? Or is this one of those times that we hit the one TP and that's it, and we should have Should have targeted 1 TP. I think we're from now on. I think we're gonna just target the 1T. And let that be our strategy. I think way more often than not we hit 1 TP on leg and just go for 1-to-1s.
Oh, we're back here. Latest. So, obviously.
Will we come down to the rest? Oh, here's a push. Here's a push, guys. Here is a push.
filled.
Okay, come on. Come on. So we added because we have the ability, we have the basis that we are.
There's a lot of
Right. Wrong one.
Order filled.
so
Used the wrong thing.
Upset.
There we go. We're doing okay. We're doing okay, guys. Think we might. I don't know if there's going to be any more trades. We will probably be scalping if we do trade this. Kind of didn't hold for the target here, but it's okay. And we came out with a little bit more. I think it will still come down to the next target, but I don't know. It's looking kind of weird. Almost close to a double bottom here. I mean, if it breaks through, it'll probably definitely come down, which it. So our target was 55, which would have been freaking awesome. And yeah. So pretty good. Pretty good. You know, 457. It's our profit here. 457 for the day so far. We got 49 on our other one. That's we're supposed to be doing the same strategy, but we're gonna be a little bit more what do you want to call it? I don't know. We're only basically gonna trade like one trade, essentially, one or two trades. Be very strict with our strategy. With that one, we have $23. So basically, that's a micro. So essentially, if we were to trade a mini on this one, that would be like 490. But we have 457 on this one. We are trading a mini here on this side. So pretty good. We're gonna see how we do. I think our profit target overall is 1,000 for the day. 1 or 2,000. 2,000 we will stop trading, I think, if that's, you know, where we hit. It's looking good for another short here. We'll probably take that on our other account, on our scalping account, to test the things out here. Probably not a good area. If you notice here how that, not a good spot to go ahead and put that trade in. It's got to break through. If it doesn't break through, that was bad. Okay, auto break even. We're gonna put it into a little bit of profit there. Let's see. Let's see if it actually would have hit our profit target. I don't know how much that would have been. Maybe would have been our 1,000. We would probably be at 100 here. All right, that took out. So, all right, it's hitting this resistant area, as you can see. Pretty much right here, right? Came up, came down, came back up. It did hit it. Came down, broke up. Now we just hit another point of resistance. If we're going for the pullback, we got 1, 2 legs started. All right, so we got one pullback.
It's something interesting that to keep an eye on.
We just had a second pullback here, and now it's already broken that pullback. Now it's pulling for up.
Plan just a short move at the start of one.
Alright. I actually think we do hit our secondary profit target, but we're being a little conservative this morning. Can we do it? That is the question. Can we actually do this? Like, we need to figure out if we can actually do this or not. We have another coaching session. Really kind of a mentoring situation, a trial mentoring for a week. If not, this portion of it's free. We're gonna check some things out for a week and see if I continue on. I think my real big struggles, to be honest, and this is the reason why I don't know that I will, is that my biggest struggle here is over trading, emotions, taking losses, having lost days. That's just something that you're not going to get really. That is what? It's crazy. We should that is, when it came back up and hit here and then came that leg down, really should have just jumped in. Boom. Will our target hit? I don't know. We do have to already start getting ready for work. We just don't have a good area to enter it. So I think we will see, though, that we should have stayed in is the thing. And look at that. Look at that. So normal take profit is 44. Or you can see here for here, which is just because it's mini, it's a little different. But we said it's a 55 because we're not greedy. We're not trying to be greedy. And look at that. Look at that. It is breaking through, coming down. Could have hit our profit targets today. But, got scared. Got scared, guys. And that's one of the areas, again, where we have to work on. we would definitely be above our 100 on our account here. The other one would have been above 1,000 by this point in time as well. So I think we have to be strong in that sense of taking. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. And did it hit? It did, right? There it is. We would have had probably 125. I think we were at 180 somewhere past here. We probably would have had our full or close to. We definitely would be above 1,000 here, and we really need to be strong in the sense of that.
Robert's indice shorts are very well.
So I think that's where we can improve. But I'm happy, okay? We stuck with the strategy in a sense.
Pretty surprising based on the overnight action. Everything overnight. guys doing in the chat? Well, Robert said. Yeah, that's I'm again.
Ooh, we gotta go. Peace. We got a green day today. So we are gonna call this positive. Positive. We did stick to our strategy. Yes. We're talking about these ones here on the right side here.
Gap again. You already filled. Oh, have you? That's what I'm saying. NQ's behind it. Like we had already been in that area there. Well, no, that's
Pretty happy.
or not even at 20 control. Oh, so their gap is gap. Oh, I see. I see. That's what we've been.
Say yes, that we stuck to the strategy as well.
How you're doing?
That's all our overall test accounts. So we got 4, 5, 7, 60. Cool. Anyways, that is it for the day. All the loves. I gotta go to work. Peace. Later. Pretty happy. Pretty happy we stuck with the strategy on the ones that we needed to. Did not stick to it full TP, but I think, I don't know, language that I was saying, we should have, because the way it actually did look, we got kind of scared. It's likely gonna go down to third point of target after a decent retrace, which it looks like it's happening right now. Third would be 988. So I would say like 993 is where I would have targeted. Likely to do that. We could take our scalp account and do that. I do think we might retrace a little higher, probably back up to here. Maybe even into 82. Does that look about right? Yeah, we could retrace back up into here as well. So I'm not really gonna. This is true. We have support right here. Actually, oh, you can see this is where this is. The low of overnight as well.